neighbor, you're here. Come on in. I've already got everything set up. Alright, I've got the movie, I've got the snacks, I got the pillow and blanket. Everything's all set. You go ahead and have a seat. I'll go get us some drinks. Alright. Here you go, neighbor. Come here. I want to hold you. There you go. I've been dying to see this movie. But then again, I heard there was supposed to be a jump scare in here. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for that. No, it's not because I'm scared. I just want to be prepared for it. It is not because I'm scared, neighbor. I'm not scared. Neighbor, you get on my nerves sometimes. Here, let me get the blanket. I'm really happy that you got to come over, neighbor. I always loved having you so close to me. Well, what else am I supposed to say, neighbor? I love you. You should know that by now. Especially considering you've been in the neighborhood this long. You're my whole world. Just remember that, okay? Ah! Oh my god! Fine, maybe I was just a little scared. But I won't get scared again. I promise. I won't. Alright, neighbor. The movie ended. They fell asleep. I'll just let them rest then. Gives me a chance to have them in my arms just a little bit longer. They're so cute when they're asleep. Sweet dreams, neighbor. Happy Halloween.